Mathematical operation on matrix in numpy array. Create an array from 1 to 9. This is the array. Now calculate the sign value of each element of A. Run the cell. This is the sign value of each element of array A. np.cos of A means calculate the cos value of each element of A. Run the cell. np.xp function return the exponents of A. np.sum function of A, it will sum of, well, it returns the sum of all the values of A. Run the cell. The sum is 45. np.median of A, median function return the median of the values of A. A.std, std means standard deviation. This function return the standard deviation of A. Run the cell. Again create a matrix. A which has 3 rows and 3 columns. np.linalg means linear algebra class, and det its function called determinant. Det means determinant and A is our matrix. This statement will return the determinant of matrix A. See the determinant. Run the cell. The determinant is this. No. np.linear algebra dot inverse inv means inverse, A means our matrix. This statement will return the inverse of matrix A. This is the inverse of our matrix A. np.linear algebra class and call its function eig mean eigen. It will return eigenvalues of A. These are the eigenvalues of our matrix A. This statement will create an array of values from 1 to 9 and reshape into matrix of order 3 cross 3. This is our matrix which has order 3 cross 3, means it has 3 rows and 3 columns. Now we take the transpose of matrix A. B is equal to A dot T. Return the transpose of A. See the transpose of A. np dot A comma B, it will return the dot product of matrices A and B. Dot product means element wise multiplication of two matrices. Now we perform some Boolean operations on our arrays A and B. This statement an array of Boolean data type, and this an array B is also an array of Boolean data types. And this one to create the arrays. Now np dot call logical underscore OR function and pass the matrix A and matrix B. This statement perform the OR operation on A and B. And this statement perform the AND operation on A and B. And this statements test whether all array elements along a given axis evaluate to true. Run the cell. Yes, true. Take a matrix A. This is our matrix A. A dot sum, it will return the sum of all the elements of matrix A. It is 10. You can clearly see that these elements added, when these elements are added, these are equal to 10. A dot sum x is equal to 0. It will return the sum of elements row wise. It's mean, see the result. Row wise sum is 1 added by 3 is equal to 4, and 2 added in 4 is equal to 6. A dot sum of x is equal to 1. It will return the sum of element row wise. Column wise. A dot max function, it will return maximum value of matrix A. on the cell. 4 is the maximum value of matrix A. A dot argument max argmax function. Argmax function return the index of maximum value. See the index of maximum value. Again check the contents of A. Check the shape of A. A dot shape attribute. Shape return the order of matrix or vector. Adds a new axis in two-dimensional array. Use this statement. A square brackets colon comma np call new axis dot shape. One is adds a new axis in array A. np dot sort of A, sorting the elements of A. See the result. It sorts in ascending order. np dot argument sort of A. Arg sort means argument. np dot argument of A index sorting. Index or sorting. So the first index is 0, second is 1, and the last index is 8 because indexing start from 0.